Whew. It's about that time, yo. Super excited to get out here. Welcome to another video. My first video here at Belmont Pier, the pier where I grew up. And yeah, man, I'm gonna meet up with a couple of my friends, some friends from the Reel 'Em In crew. That's the crew that I'm in. So definitely I'll leave a link to our page, our Instagram page, so you can check out all our stuff. But I gotta get going. I gotta go secure my spot. So I'll catch you guys in a bit. Yeah, just check this out. It's a little cloudy, but you can see the moon is still out. And man, I miss this place. This place has been locked down for months. And yeah, I was here last night and heard that it was open, so I had to come out, check it out, and sure enough, it was open. So we're out here to do some damage, hopefully hook up. Definitely gonna hook up, because man, these waters haven't been fished for a while, so let's see what happens. Fishing for bait, but you get one of these bad boys. Little baby's going back. We don't want you. Alright, gotta do this the hard way. Learned this from my Chinese friends. Little tongues. Not what we want.
You notice all the bites of that fucking knife?
Does it automatically record?
Yeah. So I put a nice piece of mackerel right here. If it's a bat, dude, I'm screwed.
Told you.
Look at that bendo though, son. Dude, should I just bully him up?
Yeah.
Low key level up.
It's probably pregnant.
Yeah. You gotta be careful with that right there. That's dagger. He's going back though. Sayonara. Yo, alright, so we've been out here for a while and want you to meet one of the crew members from the crew. This is Soy Pinchy Ray. Say what's up to the crews.
We're out here at Belmont Pier, Long Beach. Not catching shit.
How's your day so far?
I'm fucking tired, dude. Been up since 4 in the morning. Was drunk last night. Not a good combination.
Here's a setup right here. The small one. The killer. Beautiful day out. Alright. So, unfortunately, we didn't have much luck after those couple fish that we caught. But, yeah, it was super nice being out here. And thank you guys for watching. I do have some pretty exciting stuff coming up later this month. Actually, I'll be in a different state fishing a whole different area I've never been before, so I'm definitely looking forward to that. And definitely expect more content from me. Yeah, it won't be shark fishing though. It'd be more freshwater stuff, but it's still gonna be super fun time. I can't wait to show you guys. And make sure you guys like this video, subscribe, and thanks for watching again. See you guys.